Hello everyone, good evening. Today we are going to explore some interesting modules on CRM in Odoo from our own Odoo Community Association OCA. So in OCA CRM branch version 18, you can find a lot of interesting modules which you can use or you can propose to your client to ease your entire CRM journey. Yeah, Odoo is very strong and powerful in enterprise when we talk about CRM, but still the real need are different from customer to customer or business to business, where OCA modules are lifesaver to propose to clients where there is no cost associated because all these modules are coming as free. So let's jump into some interesting modules which I have configured on my local Odoo instance. So first module which I am going to explore, where I have recently explored during some of the real business requirement, the importance of product in the CRM lead. So we have first module, that is CRM lead product from OCA, what it does. So once we install that, during any CRM lead, you will find a product menu over here. And not only this, once you add any product inquiries in your lead and pipeline, it will automatically calculate the total probable business amount or expected revenue over here in real time. So there are two benefits for this module when we install and use. The customer who are seeking the information about your product and service during their lead, and once you add those products, the person will know which product or service they are interested and the expected price which is coming from your product master, and then an expected revenue total will come here as a default from this. This is the first module which you can use openly for any customer journey where product and service information are required within lead or pipeline stage. The second module is CRM phone calls. Yes, Odoo definitely gives the activity and its planning and the call facility as a activity type. But when you need a separate, a high quality information about all incoming and outgoing call history for any particular lead from your sales team, Odoo gives, this OCA module gives us a separate call menu which can help us to register each and every call and its information with our client, with the total number of minutes, the contact person, the mobile, the lead opportunity, and whether it's a incoming call or outgoing call, and the summary of call, which your people can log, and then you can find entire history of calls within this. And Phonecall have a separate menu as a master, and then you can use the standard group by to see the particular partner wise call information from this menu. So log call is a feature which you can use where your sales team is doing a lot of marketing call or proposal call, or you are receiving a high volume of incoming call and you need a separate information log per client and what happens, who has attended that call, the belonging sales team, and then all other information can be logged over here. The third module is salesperson planner. So again, a very good module which gives a separate planning template within your Odoo CRM, where you can plan based on template with some repeat meetings and a duration of those meetings, and a plan for your sales team and salesperson for one particular contact can be created over here, which can be auto validate, and a plan can be done for entire day per visit. So this is a template we have created, and then we can create the visits from those template. So for any customer, if you are planning or making any of your salesperson visit, then you can create a visit over here, a planner for future activities and confirm this. So a planner will be launched per salesperson over here, and that can be seen if he is assigned. Okay, so salesperson is assigned over here, and then you can see all the visits by Michelle admin to different clients and different date you can do. And once you have a template, then you can launch the template based planning for many salespeople like this. Okay, so this is one useful module to create a planning of your sales team. The another module is sequential code for leads. So a very good module when any of your leads or information, coming will be identified with a unique ID number like sales order or purchase order number or invoice or bill number. This will auto generate the entire sequence for your CRM, and you can communicate easily with your sales team and person based on this unique ID number, and your search made easy with the ID number only. So this is a unique sequence number created for each and every leads inside your CRM from this free module. Another important module I am going to talk about CRM industry, because when you create any customers, definitely industry is important field to know the industry it belongs, and you can reuse such information in your report as well as your email marketing campaign or any other value which gives exact idea about the industries which customer belong to. And then you can have a main and secondary industries over here, which again gives a reflection of that inside the industry over here also. Okay, so that's how lead which can be connected with main industry inside lead will give you the information about separation of each and every leads and its classification. So that's where this particular industry tagging is very important with this free module. So over here now you can see like group by industry, you will get the industry-wise grouping of your lead separation with this free module. You will find a lot of modules in CRM repository which you can download and try on your own and get benefit for these small free modules to make your customer or your own journey easy with Odoo CRM. Hope this video will help many people to use this Odoo OCA CRM repository and its free modules in their day-to-day routine. If you have any question, reach out to me on my YouTube, LinkedIn, or email. Thank you guys. Have a good day.